Bob Marshall here, Typewriter Muse. Let's talk about naked typewriters. The point, the purpose, the reason. There's always reason. This thing, Smith Corona, naked. No body to speak of. The problem with doing this, of course, is the ribbon reels. So what I've done is manufactured these super cool fingers that just kind of pop over and hold it. Well, how did I do it? Okay, let's get up close. As the medevac helicopter flies overhead. Anywho, you can see I just attached it to that already existing screw on this model. I have no idea. The screw I think originally held that side of the body panel on. But anyways, this particular finger I made out of a two-hole graph or two-hole paper that you put at the top of two-hole paper. I think this is a cheap and easy way to make it happen, and these fingers themselves are quite pliable, so it makes it pretty darn easy to make things happen. So this is the big trick to naked typewriters. Every model is going to be a little different, of course. Every model of typewriter and what it takes, and sometimes I just make a topless typewriter. I just take the top off. But let's face it, how many times have we seen a typewriter and the machine may work great? We think, wow, too bad it's got a big ding in the body, or it's stopping something, or let's get the G and H up here. And you end up with issue. For what reason? Anyways, I'm gonna finish doing this ribbon, but yes, these fingers come down and this just holds the ribbon down. And again, I make these out of the two-hole jobbers that go on the top of paper, and these are just the guides for them. I just cut them up with some cool heavier docks I have, and it works real well. Naked typewriters. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Bob Marshall, Typewriter Muse.